Okay, friends, we are on this HSK Standard Course 1 workbook. So we are on page 1, and this is lesson 1, 你好, hello. So later I will play this CDs. So you will need to read the monosyllabic words aloud. So if you notice, all this one is just single syllable. And then we will go to these double syllable words, which is disyllabic words. So if you notice carefully, this one got a spacing here, so that's fine, and others didn't have spaces. So now I will just play the audios. So before we continue to the third part, so the first one, so I just play this one.
第一课，你好。
Lesson 1. Hello.
一、朗读下列单音节词语。
Read the monosyllabic words aloud.
妈、马、马、骂、八、拔、把、爸、飞、肥、匪、费、切、且、且、切、薛、学、雪、穴、挑、条、挑、跳、豁、活、火、或、猫、毛、卯、帽。
Okay, so now we'll continue to part 2 here.
二、朗读下列双音节词语。
Read the disyllabic words aloud.
下雨、下午、特别、第一、也许、跑步、回答、跳舞、一起、快乐、其他、表达、礼物、机会、离开、复习、地图、地铁、爱好、街道。
Okay, let's continue to part 3 here. So part 3, 读一读，猜一猜，给下列图片选择相应的词语。Read and guess, match the pictures with the words. So this one, so this is pie, so is D. So I pronounce this as donkey. So to differentiate with this B here, B I will say boy, A apple, C for cat, and E for elephant. So this one is a type of dance, so it's called ballet. So it's C. And then this one, coffee. Coffee in Chinese is called 咖啡. So this is A. And then this one, guitar. 吉他. So it's E. And this one finally, this is Coke. So in Chinese is 可乐. So this one is boy. And then again, we go to part 4 here. So this is, okay, I will play this audio until number 8. So this one is 1, 3.
4. 听录音，写出听到的声母并朗读。
Listen to the recording, write down the initials you hear, and read the syllables aloud.
So before I continue this audio, remember that there is around 23 initials in Mandarin Chinese language. So this is it. So if you notice carefully, so this is 23 initials. So now I just play this one.
1. 掰 2. 换 3. 叫 4. 皮 5. 满 6. 火 7. 去 8. 小
So that's it for this page. So before I end this video, so I want to introduce you this free ebook here. So this is written by me. So you can always go to download. You can go to the description and download this ebook here. It is free. And then you can learn 100 most common Chinese character. So you can learn around 100 Chinese character which is most common. And then there is a quick guide here. And then this is a Chinese character, which we have this one definition in English. And then you have this strokes and then its radicals, as well as its pinyin. So there are around 100 characters. So if you want to explore more Chinese books, you can also visit this URL here. And you can join my Telegram robot here. So that's it for today. So if you're okay, you can always subscribe here. And you can watch the related videos here. So right below this video, you can click the link in the description to join my Telegram robot.